Hey Shawn, this is Russell with the 460 EFI Guys. Pulled a couple late nights, got your wiring harness all finished up. As you can see, I forgot to plug in the oxygen sensor, so I'm starting over, but it's not even up to temperature yet. Well, let's go take it for a run. Widebands take a couple of seconds to kick up. The left one's getting kind of old, so a little off sometimes, but there we go. Pretty good air fuel curves right out of the gate. There's fourth gear. Yep, still sitting about 12.5, which is really nice. Let's go into a coast. Yep, just over 15, right around there. And it'll tighten up the air fuel curves as things program in a little nicer. Fully off the throttle, just coasting, looking pretty nice. Can't decide if it wants to keep raining or stop. We have gotten some monsoons lately. Looked like the rain was coming straight off the end of the buildings. Up, I should say. The wind was so crazy, but yeah, nice coasting scenario. Holding really good air fuel curves there. Some gas. Yeah, I think this one will make really good power for you. Running real nice and clean and smooth.